Upgrading your industrial inspection, reverse engineering, or high-detail 3D printing workflow with professional metrology-grade scanning power without paying six figures for enterprise lab equipment usually means transitioning to an advanced, multi-mode handheld scanning system. The Revopoint MetroY Ultra 3D Scanner, Standard Edition, redefines professional 3D metrology by combining ultra-high precision blue laser technology, blazing fast frame rates, and versatile dual light capabilities into a robust, portable workstation. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its hybrid blue laser and structured light architecture, paired with an astonishing 90 FPS scanning speed. Instead of struggling with entry-level scanners that lose tracking on dark surfaces, reflect off metallic parts, or take agonizingly slow passes over large objects, this system delivers industrial-grade 0.01 mm precision across 5 distinct scanning modes, capturing complex geometries, fine textures, and shiny components with effortless fluidity. Performance and everyday versatility streamline projects ranging from automotive reverse engineering and quality control inspection to high-detail miniature 3D printing. Driven by advanced anti-shaking stabilization algorithms and wireless outdoor scanning capability, the device adapts seamlessly to both controlled factory environments and on-site field measurements. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by comprehensive metrology software integration, an ergonomic handheld design with intuitive tactile controls, and rapid data export compatibility with major CAD and 3D modeling pipelines. Things to consider before you buy, because this is an industrial metrology-grade 3D scanner engineered for extreme precision and high-speed data capture. It requires a capable workstation computer equipped with a powerful dedicated GPU to process massive point clouds and high frame rate meshes smoothly. Additionally, highly reflective or transparent parts may still require a light dusting spray for optimal laser capture, depending on the chosen scanning mode. So who is this really for? This professional 3D scanner is an absolute home run for engineers, product designers, reverse engineering specialists, quality control inspectors, and advanced makers who demand laboratory-grade measurement accuracy and blistering scan speeds. If you are a casual hobbyist looking for a simple, budget-friendly handheld scanner for scanning small organic toys or simple household objects, a consumer-grade entry scanner will better match your project scale. Is it worth the money? If you value true 0.01 mm metrology precision, a lightning-fast 90 FPS capture rate, versatile blue laser and structured light modes, anti-shaking stability, and robust industrial modeling capability, it is a premier, high-performance investment for professional 3D digitization.